Hi, I'm going to make the scallop vegetable noodle salad. I have 4 ounces of cucumber noodle and 1 ounce of carrot. And I got 3 scallops. So I'm going to put a pinch of salt and pepper in it. Okay, gonna mix. Okay, then I put a little bit oil in it first. Okay, for this sauce, I use 1 teaspoon of honey. And 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce. One tablespoon of white vinegar. And I put 1 teaspoon of peanut butter, the creamy peanut butter in it. So I mix. Okay, let me flip over the scallop first. Okay, then I'm gonna put it in there and mix. Okay, let me flip over the scallop also too. Looks good. Okay. Okay, the scallop look really nice right now. I'm gonna remove it. Okay, that's what I make today, the scallop veggie noodle salad.